Case law of Constitution of India. Features of Constitution. Ram Javaya Kapoor versus State of Punjab, AIR 1955. Supreme Court determined that our Constitution adopted the system of parliamentary governance, Government of England. The basic principle is that President is the constitutional head and the executive, while the actual executive power is vested in the Council of Ministers. S.R. Bhomai versus Union of India, AIR 1994. Aruna Roy versus Union of India. Secularism is the basic structure of the Constitution. Supreme Court held that secularism has a positive meaning and it means to develop understanding, respect toward the different religion. Excelsior versus Union of India, AIR 1979. D.S. Naikada versus Union of India, AIR 1983. Court would give more weightage to the nationalization and state ownership, but the principle of socialism should not be interpreted and implemented to the extent to totally ignore the interest of the private ownership. Further, Supreme Court held that basic purpose of socialism is to provide decent standard of life and social security to the people. L. Chandra Kumar versus Union of India 1997. Supreme Court held that exclusion of jurisdiction of the court is unconstitutional. Judicial review is a basic structure of the Constitution and it can never be excluded. S.R. Bhomai versus Union of India. Supreme Court had expressed in majority of opinion that Indian Constitution is federal. Ram Jaiva Kapoor versus State of Punjab, 1955. The federal principle or the doctrine of separation of power is incorporated in the Constitution in strict sense and rigid form. State of West Bengal versus Union of India, 1963. The Indian Constitution is not truly federal and the state are not sovereign. Political sovereignty is distributed between union and the state with greater weightage in the favor of the Union of India. State of Rajasthan versus Union of India, AIR 1973. Indian Union is a federal, but the extent of the federalism is largely watered down but the need of the progress of development of the country, which has the national political and economically coordinated the social, intellectual and spiritual uplift. Kuldeep Nair versus Union of India 2006. Through the federal principle is dominant in our constitution. The principle is one of the basic features, but it is also equally true that federalism leans in the favor of the strong central or unitary power.